PDA Parts presents the Palm Treo 650 Take Apart. Warning: the following directions will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk. Start by turning the unit over and removing the stylus. Next, you're going to remove the SIM card. This is only applicable to GSM units. Next, also remove any SD cards that are in the slot. Now remove the battery door and remove the battery out of its compartment. Using a T5 Torx, remove the 7 screws from the back of the unit. Note, the screw at the antenna is longer than the rest. Set it aside separate. You will now be able to remove the antenna by pulling it directly out. Using a case opener tool, now run the case opener tool along the side to release the clips. You'll need to use the case opener tool to release all tabs on both sides of the unit. With all the tabs released, you'll be able to remove the back half of the case. You will now lift the tab on the connector to a 45-degree angle, which will release the ribbon. You will now be able to remove the motherboard. The screen is still attached to the motherboard, so be careful. By turning the screen over, you will see the ribbon is still attached to the motherboard. Lift the connector once again to a 45-degree angle and you'll be able to pull the ribbon out and release the screen. Please be sure to visit us on the web at www.pdaparts.com.